Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So this week's word of the week for week number 12 is going to be vitamin B. Now, the benefits of vitamin B are it improves memory, it helps with digestion, and it helps produce energy. Different foods that are rich in vitamin B are white beans, spinach, squash, mushrooms, green beans, and much, much more. So make sure you stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 12 is going to be the following exercises. Number 1, cross jacks. Number 2, curtsy lunges. Number 3, sitting punches. And number 4, glute bridges. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so for Fast 5 workout number 12, here are the following exercises. 1, cross jack. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to start in this position. You will cross your feet and then open them back up. So it looks like this, okay? Kind of like our crisscrosses. While you do that, you're also going to cross your hands over and under each other. So it's going to look like this. Cross, 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 cross. Okay, those are called cross jacks. Then we got curtsy lunges. So you're going to start either on your left or your right side. I'm going to go and start on my left side. I'm going to step out and then my back foot or my left foot is going to go behind my foot like this. Okay, so then same thing, side to side. So they're called curtsy lunges. Okay, kind of like you're just taking a bow. All right, so those are curtsy lunges. Then we got sitting punches. So we're going to go down to our bottoms. As we are in like a crunch-like position, we're going to come up and we're going to punch across our body. Okay. Sitting punches. And last but not least, we got glute bridges. You're going to put your hands down flat on the floor. You're going to bring your pelvic up towards the sky. Hands are flat, body's flat. You're going to go up and down. Up and down. Okay. It's kind of like you're making a bridge with your body. So make sure you get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 12, and we'll get started in just a moment. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So cross jacks. Again, cross your hands and feet at the same time. Okay, if you want to just go in front, you can do that. I'm going to go forward and backwards with my feet crossing as well as my hands. Remember, 30 seconds. Best you can. You need to step it out, you can do that as well. Alright, get to those curtsy lunges, so step, bring that foot behind, and go down, step and go down. Woo! We'll fall on that one. As you can see, I'm not perfect. I'm going to make some errors, and that's okay. We're all human. We're all doing our best, right? Keep up the good work. So get ready for those sitting punches in just a moment. Great job. Keep up the good work, my friends. Just finished. All right. Let's head on down. Sitting punches. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go. Come up and punch. 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 Across your body. The higher you can get up, the better. So you breathe, your nose out there. All right, let's go with those bridges. Hands are flat on the floor. Lift up. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2, come down. 1, 2. Hold it up, tighten up your bottom, and go down. Just do the best you can. Okay, these are called glute bridges. And time. All right, 1 minute rest. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this a little bit better so you guys can see those glute bridges. Woo! That was a good one. All right, shake it off, shake it off. Get ready for round number 2. Round number 2. If you guys are enjoying these, make sure you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite exercise. What is challenging thus far. Just keep working hard, my friends. We're gonna get through this together. 36 seconds. Woo! Highly recommend you guys do this. Every day, every day. We almost have 2 weeks worth of Fast 5 workouts. Pretty impressive. If you guys have done Fast 5 1 through 11, drop a comment below. Let me know how they're working out for you, okay? 10 seconds left, my friends. 10 seconds. Again, cross jacks. Start with those cross jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross jacks. On my feet, my hands are crossing. I'm not stopping. If you need to stop quickly, that's okay. If you need to step it out, that's okay too. Just do your best. Go to the best of your abilities, my friends. All right, got those curtsies set and go across. Get under. You guys are putting on an amazing performance. That's how I remember it. Since I'm taking them out, the animal performance. Thank you. Thank you. Great. Woo! Definitely feeling that one out. We got those sitting push-ups, punches, all that. Those glute bridges, here we go. Push-up punches. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go up and punch. Try to go higher than you get the first one. Oh, that was a good one. Bridges, hands flat, let's go. Up, down, up, 1, 2, and down. So you're squeezing your bottoms up top. Home stretch, my friends, home stretch. Keep working hard, do your best. Don't give up, just finish. And time. All right, my friends. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself in the back. Here's a fist bump. Hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 12. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your most challenging exercise? What workouts you would like to see in future Fast 5 workouts? Please drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Angry Turk-ees. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, the only items you'll need are going to be 2 sock balls, 1 long sock, or it could be a bandana, and a basket, a bucket, or box, whatever you guys have available at home. All right, so here's the setup for angry turkeys. Now, I have a basket right over here. It's 6 feet away from my blue tape right here. I have my long sock as well as my 2 sock balls. Now, what I'm gonna have to do is 1 burpee. Yes, you heard that right. 1 burpee. And after I do my 1 burpee, I'm gonna get 2 tries to go ahead and launch my turkeys in the air and make it inside of the basket, okay? So 1, 2, and I'm gonna try to make it in, just like I did. But before I can do that, as I mentioned, I'm gonna do 1 burpee. So if you guys have not done a burpee before, I'm gonna step it out. So I'm gonna put my hands out like I'm doing a push-up. I'm gonna put my feet out, bring my feet in, and then I'm gonna jump up. Okay, I'll go and do it here. Again, feet out, feet in, and jump. 3, 2, 1, and go. That's 1. All right, 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. That's 4 points. Ah, just missed. Oh, 5 points. All right, time. I believe my final score was 5 points, so let's try to beat my score. All right, here we go, starting 3, 2, 1, go. All right, 1 burpee, 2 shots. Oh, just missed it. Oh! And 1 burpee, 2 shots. Oh, 1 point. Oh. Good job. Let's see. Let's go. 2 points. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of Angry Turkey. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity and how you would modify it. Also, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, because I like to see your modifications in the game as well. So again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.